How do I choose my first programming language, right? Okay, that's a very good question. Now, if you have an interest into going into tech, if you want to choose your first programming language, first thing you have to do is first of all make inquiries. Like when I was trying to, like using myself as an example, when I was trying to go into tech for the very first time, I had no idea as to what front end, back end, full stack, Python, and what they were all about. So what I did was to first of all make my research. I went online. I think then there was ChatGPT was not really in vogue as at then. I went online. I asked like types of programming languages, what those programming languages, what do we use them to create. So that was how I was able to say, okay, no problem, I don't want to be a designer. Although I want to actually build something that people can see physically, but I don't want to be a designer. So that's why I didn't choose web design. But then I want to be able to create websites or applications that are visually appealing, that are looking good. That was why I chose front end development. Then after choosing my front end development, thereafter I then asked what languages are used to, or rather what languages do front end developers use to create visually appealing websites or applications. Then I was then told that I have to make use of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, and a whole lot. So that was how I was able to choose my first programming languages. So to answer your questions, if you want to choose your first programming languages, the first thing you have to do is to first of all ask, what do you want to do? In the tech world, of which the tech world is very broad, what do you want to do? Do you want to be a developer? Do you want to build websites and applications and make them look beautiful? Do you want to just be a designer? Do you want to build AI? Do you want to go into machine learning? What do you want to do? That's the first question you have to ask yourself. After asking those questions, then you go online and ask what programming languages are used to actually create or achieve these goals. Then you can choose your first programming languages. So hope I've been able to answer your questions.